Relax and unwind in a brand new apartment at Christchurch's Northwood Village. Our 2 and 3 bedroom apartments are the perfect fusion of comfort and style, ensuring you'll feel at home the moment you walk in. Cooking is a breeze with high-end kitchen appliances, waterfall bench tops and ample storage. Glass doors open out to a private patio, ideal for alfresco dining with friends. With a choice of 2 or 3 large bedrooms, there's plenty of space for visitors. Plus, there are clever safety features throughout should you ever need them. With a heat pump and double glazing, these modern apartments remain incredibly comfortable and quiet year-round. Everything is right at your doorstep, with shopping centres and city amenities just minutes away. Come in and see these stunning apartments for yourself, or go to rymanhealthcare.co.nz for more information.